From Cheras in Ashokan Edicts to Keralam in 2026. Historical and etymological roots. Ancient epigraphic evidence. Rock Edict 2 of the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka, dating back to 257 BCE. This inscription mentions a southern ruler as Keralaputra, meaning son of Kerala. Etymological origins. Most historians and linguists agree that Keralam is derived from Cheralam, the land of the Chera dynasty. The root, share, is understood to mean to join, and combined with alam, meaning land or region, it forms Cheralam, or the land joined together. Over centuries, phonetic shifts transform Cheralam into Keralam. Linguistic correction. In Malayalam and other Dravidian languages, place names often carry the suffix am, example, Tamilakam. Keralam is the grammatically complete and traditional form in Malayalam. Constitutional procedure. State legislature resolution. The Kerala Legislative Assembly passed a unanimous resolution on June 24, 2024. It appealed to the central government to change the name from Kerala to Keralam. Union Cabinet approval. The Union Cabinet, chaired by the Prime Minister, approved the proposal on February 24, 2026. The path ahead. The President will refer the Kerala Alteration of Name Bill 2026 to the Kerala Legislative Assembly to get its views. After receiving the Assembly's views, the government will obtain the President's recommendation to introduce the bill in Parliament. The bill must be passed in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Contrary to some misconceptions, it requires a simple majority, not a two-thirds majority, in each house. After parliamentary approval, the bill will be sent to the President for assent. Finally, the change will be officially notified in the Gazette, amending the first schedule of the Constitution. Successful name changes. United Provinces to Uttar Pradesh in 1950. Madras State to Tamil Nadu in 1969. Mysore State to Karnataka in 1973. Orissa to Odisha in 2011. Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand in 2007. 3 things you should not miss about Keralam. The Union Cabinet just dropped a massive current affairs topic for 2026. If you are preparing for any government exam, you need to know these 3 hidden angles that are not in the newspapers. 1. The constitutional route. It's not a 368 amendment. It's a simple majority bill. Comment, see, if you knew this. Though, the historical proof. The name isn't new, it appears in ancient Sanskrit texts. 3. The precedent. Why is this happening now? Hint, think about Uttarakhand and Orissa to Odisha. Like and subscribe in Choice IAS for more such videos and live classes.